Good morning, children. Welcome back again in online classes. Children, today I'm going to start your test 5 syllabus in English literature. So today we are going to start a poem that is a very interesting poem, Ring Out Wild Bells. Ring out wild bells. Children, this is the poem, yes, in which the poet is about welcoming the new year. इसमें जो poet है वो welcome कर रहा है new year का and saying goodbye to the old year. And this poem is about forgetting the past and thinking about the good things of future. This poem is written by Alfred Lord Tennyson, a very famous poet, and he was the popular British poet. Children, this poem is taken from a very famous work of Tennyson, that is In Memoriam. In Memoriam से ये part लिया गया है. And children, this poem is written by the poet at the eve of New Year. Yes, eve means evening. At the evening of New Year. So, let us start the poem. Ring out wild bells. First I read the poem. Ring out wild bells to the wild sky, the flying cloud, the frosty light. The year is dying in the night. Ring out wild bells and let him die. Ring out the old, ring in the new. Ring happy bells across the snow. The year is going, let him go. Ring out the false, ring in the trio. Ring out wild bells to the wild sky. Children, here poet uses 2 words. इसमें poet ने 2 words use कर रहे हैं. That is ring out and ring in. Ring out means leaving all the bad things in the going year. जो साल निकल रहा है उसमें जितनी भी bad things हैं हम सब उसे छोड़ दें, leave. And ring in means to welcome the new things और नई चीज़ों का welcome करें. So let's start. Ring out wild bells to the wild sky, the flying cloud, the frosty light. The poet is asking from the bells that you should ring out to the wild sky. Yes, let us leave. Poet जो है बोल रहा है, let us leave all the negativity. Wild sky means the sky that is wild and there is a snowstorm, possibly. And the frosty light, frosty means that is covered with frost. Children, as we know, in winters the nights are very frosty. So the poet is asking the bells, just leave all the negativity, कि सारी negativity छोड़ दो with the old year, जो साल निकल रहा है, and leave all the negative things and welcome the new things. Leave all the things. The year is dying in the night. आज रात में ये जो साल है ये खत्म हो रहा है. It is going to over. And the ring out wild bells, let him die. Leave all the bad things and welcome the new year with a new hope. नई hope से हमें अपना new year start करना है. So, ring out the old, ring in the new. So here the poet talks about saying goodbye or bye-bye to the old year by ringing the happy bells. Happy bells, ringing the happy bells. The poet is saying bye-bye to the old year. And what is the meaning of across the snow? Across the snow means in the cold winter month of January. In the cold winter month of January, the poet is saying that ring out the old things. Go say goodbye to the old year by ringing the happy bells. And at the same time, ring in the new. Ring in the new means, and at the same time, ringing those bells to salute the new year or a new beginning. Yes, welcome the new beginning. The year is going, let him go. Ring out the false, ring in the true. Yes, children, let us leave all kinds of false things. साल निकल रहा है, उसको जाने दो, उसको छोड़ो, सारी नेगेटिव थिंग्स छोड़ो, सब बैड थिंग्स हमें छोड़नी है, भूलनी है. एंड रिंग आउट द फॉल्स. एंड इट्स द पोएट विश, ये पोएट की विश है कि सारी बुरी चीज़ों को छोड़ दो. हमें न्यू ईयर को सैल्यूट करना है, न्यू बिगिनिंग को स्टार्ट करना है. And the poet wished now true things or good things should happen. So ring out the false and ring in the true. हमें सारी false चीज़ों को, false things को, negative things को छोड़ना है and ring in the true. And we accept the poet's wish that we now true things or good things should happen. So children, this is a very interesting poem and learn the poem first. Thank you. God bless you all.